Hey YouTube, this is Derek, and this is my tutorial for Machine Gun Kelly's Why Are You Here? So I broke this down into 3 different parts. The first part you see throughout the verse, the chorus, and the post-chorus, in which he just alters what he's doing on the hats and the crash, but the kick, snare, and groove pattern is all the same. So that sounds like this. So you see there, not too difficult. 2 and 4 on the snare, 8's going on the hats. The kick pattern is just 1, 3 and, then 1 and of 2, and of 3. Slowed down, sounds like this. Okay, and the second part is kind of the pre-chorus around the tom part. That is 4 on the floor with the kick drum, 8ths on the floor tom, and then some embellishments that go on throughout the kit. I'll show you what that sounds like full time and then slowed down. Here we go. So there's that. The second time through he does that, he does add a second hit on the hat. I did not do that in my video, but on the record that's what he does. So lastly we have kind of the halftime breakdown part that I call the outro of the song, that it kind of ends with. And that is essentially just a broken down groove, snare hits on 3, sounds like this. And yeah, that's basically all there is to the song. You just line those 3 parts up when the chorus hits, you know, open hats, stuff like that. And then there are little embellishments. Primary fills that he does throughout the song is there's like, for the intro and going into some choruses, there's that little tom fill he does. And that's just on the and a 3, and a 1, sounds like this. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. You just gotta piece it together, listen to it, figure out which part you're doing, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you have any more recommendations, any questions, just email me, DM me, whatever, and I'll answer it as best I can. If this video was helpful, please reach out if you have any other tutorials you'd like to see or any other song recommendations. Thanks for watching.